Hey everyone, it's Star. Today's video, as you can see by the photo, a nice yummy spinach, cucumber, strawberry, yummy goodness salad. Yes, that's a long thing to say, but it just came to mind. So yeah, I just like to use the seedless snacking sweet cucumbers because they have a fresh taste to me and they're sweet and they're a little bit different from the regular cucumber with the seeds in it. I like to just grab a handful and just slice those up, and yes, I washed them off before slicing, and I like to cut off the ends because I don't know, the ends aren't really yummy to me. So you cut off the ends and you slice up the middle. You grab a bowl and you want to toss your cucumber in there as you prepare your next item. And the next item for me will be tomatoes, and I love the sweet tomatoes as well. So there goes the tomatoes, and once again I just normally grab a handful. I don't have a set amount of tomatoes that I put in my salad. I just grab whatever feels comfortable that day, and I love tomatoes, so I could just snack on them just like by themselves. You chop them up and into the bowl they go as you prepare the next thing, which will be a shallot onion, and it's pretty much self-explanatory for the rest of the video. Chop up all your items, place them in a bowl. I love chickpeas, aka garbanzo beans, so I like to add that into my salad, and I just toss them in the bowl and I put the other half in the container for later because I don't normally use the whole thing. Then here's a big container of some baby spinach leaves. Add it into the bowl. Add some veggie blend, which has like dry herbs like oregano, parsley, onion flakes, and maybe like some pepper flakes, things of that nature, along with some black crushed pepper. And pepper is like my favorite. I can't make anything without adding crushed pepper. I also decided to put red wine vinegar, and I just used 2 caps full just to give it a little bit of tangy taste. Plus vinegar is good for your digestive system. And then I like to add some lemon tahini dressing, and this has become one of my favorite dressings. And you just want to put enough to your liking, mix it all up, and top it off into a plate and prepare to serve. For some more fiber and protein, I add some chia seeds because they have so many great benefits to them, and it doesn't have a taste, so why not add it to my salad, along with some fresh sliced strawberries because strawberries are so yummy. And I just wanted to decorate the plate. So I hope you guys like this salad. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I look forward to talking to you in my next video. Bye, loves.